Snoring. Snoring is a common condition that can affect anyone. Snoring is the vibration of respiratory structures, and the resulting sound, due to obstructed air movement, during breathing while sleeping. It is the result of the relaxation of the uvula and soft palate. These tissues can relax enough to partially block the airways, resulting in irregular airflow and vibrations. You snore when the flow of air, as you breathe, makes the tissues in the back of your throat vibrate. Snoring during sleep may be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea. Check other related videos, as well as description below for more information.